Throughout human history, there are mysteries that no one has been able to fully explain. Ancient structures, mysterious books, and hidden underwater ruins, all of these make us question, do we truly understand our past, or is there something hidden in history that is beyond human imagination? Today, we explore some of the greatest unsolved mysteries of the world. Deep beneath the ocean near Japan lies a mysterious structure known as the Yonaguni Monument. It appears to be a massive stone formation resembling an ancient pyramid. Some scientists believe it is a natural rock formation shaped by nature, but many researchers argue it is man-made because it shows step-like structures and sharp edges. If it was truly built by humans, the big question remains: who built it and when? In the deserts of Peru lie massive drawings known as the Nazca lines. These enormous geoglyphs can only be fully seen from the sky. They include animals, shapes, and long straight lines carved into the desert floor. But why were they created? Some believe they were used for religious rituals, while others think they were ancient astronomical calendars. Yet the real mystery remains: how did ancient people create such massive designs without aerial technology? In England stands Stonehenge, a massive circular arrangement of stones built thousands of years ago. These enormous stones were transported without modern machines, yet placed with incredible precision. How ancient people moved and arranged them still remains a mystery. Was it a temple, an astronomical tool, or part of a ritual system? Scientists still debate its true purpose. The Voynich manuscript is a book that has never been decoded. It contains strange writing and mysterious illustrations of plants, stars, and human figures. But the biggest mystery is its language. It does not match any known writing system. Is it a hidden code, a medical guide, or simply an unsolved creation? Even today, no one has been able to understand its meaning. The Shroud of Turin is an ancient cloth that shows the faint image of a human figure. Many believe it is the burial cloth of Jesus Christ. Some scientists claim it may be a medieval forgery. Despite multiple tests, its origin and image formation remain unexplained. How this image was created is still a major mystery. These ancient mysteries force us to question how much of history we truly understand. Is there still much hidden from us in the past? Or are some mysteries simply meant to remain unsolved forever? Perhaps the truth is still waiting to be discovered.
If you enjoyed exploring these mysterious ancient secrets,